Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today market update for April 29, 2020. So as you can see that in our live trading room this morning, we already set up when the market opened, they pull it back down and then we already give our member where they're going to pull back down and where they're the target. So the market come down and then they hit right into the target zone. So as you can see here early in the morning when the market opened, the market is slammed down, try to check out a bunch of people that try to jump in and go long. And then after they check them out, and then the price get into the buy zone and the market is start moving higher. So after I get out from my live trading room, and then I jump in and then take one quick trade and make the profit, and then we end for the day. So the total net profit for today is quick trade at $2,777.50. So it's not bad for the day. And then I'm focused more on a lot of stock trading and option trading because a lot of candidates out there ready to move. So this is for day trade. So as you can see that by define those sell zone, buy zone ahead of the time, you'll be able to see where the market is heading to. So you can trade accordingly. So this is one of the methods that we are doing in Stock Navigator that we call day trade. So this is the method that we generate extra income per day. And the next method that we do is just swing trade. So you buy stock and then you stay in the trade longer, so you can make more profit. Now let's see where the market is heading to. Uh, as you can see that on my, if you have been follow my previous video, you can see that a lot of people out there they thinking that the market go A, B, C, and then they come down, to lower. But I don't think that's the case anymore. The market it will do whatever it takes. Like the Fed say, they will do whatever it takes to bring the market up to the top. So that's why don't try to fight with the Fed. So that's why a lot of people now the market is trying to go up right now, but of course the market did not go straight up when it hit to this level here, and then we have to watch out because this is where a lot of people that they are afraid of missing the bus. They will jump right in here. Although people come late to the party and then they just want to get a quick ring and then they jump right in, and that's where the market is going to pull back down and then before they can go higher. So for those guys that looking for the bottom lower, I think they have to wait until a couple more years. So that's what we have been saying when I call out. If you follow my YouTube, I ask people to buy right here, right now. Most of the stuff, if you buy right here, they already make it 100%, 200% it already. So that's why, sometimes you have to understand how to read the chart so that you know where the market is heading to. As long as the market is still hold up my upper trend line here, the bull is still in control. But this level here will be a critical level. That's where you will see that a lot of people come late, they will get hooked again. So if you look at one side at the SPY, the other side at the E-mini SP 500 future, you can see that how they look like. And so far, the market is still continue to go up. They still stay above the moving average. And then when it hit here, and then we readjust and let you know where they were heading to. So right now it's uptrend, so we stick with the uptrend. Same thing here until the market they reverse. Let the chart tell you what they want to do rather than sit there and guess. Okay, so this is what we have for you today. And a lot of oil stock, like I told you, the energy sector is doing very well. They start bouncing back up. So if you have been follow me since last week, and if you get in on the big brand name like CVX, ExxonMobil, Harberton right now, you probably in good money already. So this is the market update for you today. I hope that you like it. And if you like it, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel by click the subscribe button below. So every time I have a new video, I will post it for you to take a look. And if you want to learn more about our method, our strategy, how to make extra daily income, and how to control your financial market so that you learn how to read the chart, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we see you in the next video.